Let's unmask the powerhouse known simply as automation. It's the silent catalytic transformer of the small business sector. With its limitless potential, automation can streamline tasks and reduce costs, exemplified here by Mary's local bakery. Originally, Mary was time-strapped with manual inventory procedures and old-school record-keeping. Then she decided to welcome automation into her business. The result was a revolutionary shift. She saved valuable time, effort, and saw her profits grow. Looking ahead at a sprouting business with satisfied customers while an automated system flawlessly handles the back-end operations, we start to witness a paradigm shift in the small and medium business landscape. But remember, adapting automation does not guarantee success overnight. It involves learning and evolving. So get ready to dip your toes into the neural network of automation, mold it to your business needs, and pull the plug on conventional manual methods. Need more info on integrating automation into your business? Follow us now and let us help you transform your small business into an empire.